you don't grind me. First thing you not skill like me. In a machine full of tricks. This are no crocodile teeth. Do it, Malibu. Wagwan YouTube, welcome to another episode of the MVS. And you don't know, as usual, I'm on the JOB. Who that? One Josh, eh?
You like, you know.
No, they're not. The son in our eye, the great Josh, #1 steel, no, electrician. Almost a steel man there a while ago. Josh is the electrical manager, right?
That's right.
Right. So we're going on the building. I'm going to show you guys what we're working on. This video is basically a follow-up on the last video where I cast the elevator. So I'm going to show you where I work on now. So Josh, you don't know, we go. Yeah. Great chili. Right, so we have the real chili.
You finish?
No finish yet. When you finish it, yeah. Oh, so you put this one?
Yeah, I put for the...
Oh, for the windows?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so Chile doing the scaffold work right here, man. So Pierre, what your name again? Abne.
Yeah.
The name them kind of difficult because sometimes. So Abne, Chile, and Pierre, them are work on scaffold right there. You see me? Yeah. Right. So we are up on the penthouse roof slab, and this is the progress. In the last video, you saw when the steelwork was ongoing. Now the steelwork is way advanced, and I start to install screed, and this is the formwork for the upstand beam right here. All right, so the line for the concrete is right here. Right here. No, right in this, right at the arm, right here. Yeah, that's 5 feet from the beam. So you can use the formwork as your guide. Use the pan line as your guide.
Okay.
So there's where I'm putting it. Right? Okay. Manu! I want to do the same thing with this slide. This one, yeah, I want to put it outside, and same thing that side. And put them on that side. And this area not finished. You need that pipe because I need these guys to start. I have too much of them up here.
Yeah, they can start.
They can start right here. Hey, you can start here. Right, you can start right there. You just have that pipe to stick, and then he said you can start. People, now go set the screen, the thing for you, right? Right, so let me just set this thing here and get cracking. Set the screen for people, not the screen, set the laser for people so you know exactly. Vladimir, get screws and your gun, your impact gun. I'm gonna set the screen first and show you, right? Right, peeps, so I transfer the level from downstairs upstairs. So this is what I'm using now to set this screed for the concrete. When you hear that solid deep, that means I'm good to go. because I go level from top of the 2x4. Even though it's a 2x4, it actually measure 1.5 by 3.5. So you know who get robbed right there. So I go minus 3 inch because this have a half-inch slope. It might sound a way how me explain it, you might not understand. But right here I have a half-inch slope. If I measure the exact level as the 2x4, it's going to be level, and I don't need it level, I need it with a slope. So instead of measure 3.5 inch, I measure 3 inch. So the half-inch difference will give me that slope. Don't know if that's clear enough. Now your tape, measure. Okay. Right, so. Oh my God, the sun. Sun are blind. I'll go up on this side. I don't know if you see me there. Right, so. Because me have to lift the machine, because me have to lift the laser up, I have to measure down. Right? So I need 3 inches down. Good. Watch, don't screw that one yet. Right. Then we got end one. Up, half inch. Half inch. Right. Right, so that's good. But you understand what I'm doing, Vladimir, right? Because you may leave to finish this soon. Alright, watch how we're going now, Vladimir. It's like I'm going to finish this one. Oh, no, hold on, don't screw it. Make sure. A slight thing down. Just press on it down. Right have a belly. Yeah. No, up. Right there. Right. Now do the same thing this side, but this time I'm going to screw the 2x4 on this. Go down the line. You understand? Alright, get the next 2x4 there. Run it from here to here. But this measurement different. This is going to be the 9-inch measurement. This is 8.5. This side is 9. Yeah. Back here, your level? Yeah, spirit level. I just want to show something here. Right. This one go down. This thing too high. Now use my foot so I can move the 2x4. Hey.
This side. No, not too more. I in the side, the tunnel. Right. Put a line tunnel. After put the flavor for
but remember, if you put,
I know, but the thing I know.
Oh, if you put pants straight through.
No. You put the deep press only.
Oh, okay, right. On the right. I'm going down, right. Hold on. Don't know. Yeah, right. Yeah. Right. So I want to check something with that level. Borrow rasta level. Let me have 2x4 there. 4-foot level too short. Exact, you know, hold on. It's exact. Right. See that? That level? Huh? Nah, it's not level. It's not really, it is not. Alright. Level it. Lift up this side, right? Oh, let me get it here. Level it. Want to go up some more? Up some, look more, up, right there, sir. Sit, half inch. Yeah, man, perfect. Perfecto. Yeah, man, that may I look for. Okay, peeps. That is it for demonstration. Oh, Dean. Okay. Alright, me call him. Yeah, demonstration time now. Action time. Okay, peeps, I'm just gonna assist those guys with the concrete so they can fill the black pockets because this machine is here. But the thing is, the operator is over that side using an excavator. The other operator is busy with the crane truck. So we have the equipment on site, but no operator. Well, the assigned operator, I should say. So because we want the work to go on and no delay, and I know I can operate, I go operate. So catching up on the next side. I get some concrete on the building there, isn't it? Yeah, man. Right, okay, peeps. If you notice right now, the fork is in between here when it should really be out here. So I have to get it out. Let me bring down. Let me see how I'm going to do this now. See how I'm going to do this. I need to rest that. Okay. All right, good to go. Right, let's line up. And don't try to see if I'm not used to it. A black wire operating. If you're not an operator, don't black and operate. Operate then black. Don't try to do two of them at once. You have a skill like me, isn't it? Don't grind me. First thing, you not skill like me. In a machine full of tricks. This are no crocodile teeth. Do it, Malibu. Yeah, Carlos. I'll call him because I'm in the machine. I can't send the number now. I'll call him. Yeah. Right, me just send up this box before we move off. Yeah, Johnson. Carlos waiting for you. He's by Rasta there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's get this show on the road. they can't move too fast because the road is bumpy and I don't want to waste no material unnecessarily. So we not rush it, but we not slow it up. Right, okay my peeps, so I'm back on the penthouse roof slab and I'm just giving an update on the progress. So the ring beam will go all the way down to grid line 6, which is where those guys are where I'm pointing, but the concrete, I will stop the concrete between 6 and 5. So that side of the ring beam is finished. So in total, I'm about 80% ready with the wing beam. So that side is ready. So it's this side I'm working on now. Regarding the screed, we're looking at here. So the screed, I would say the screed is the same percentage, 80%. The other 20 is where I'm gonna put the stop in and just to stabilize them, because some of them, I mean, they tie the both ends, but the middle still rocky, as you can see right there. So I need to stabilize that so when they're riding it don't move, or when the concrete reach there it don't float. Right, so yeah, that's it in terms of the carpentry. I'm going to spray the area where I'm gonna put the stop in, so they will see that here. I'm gonna highlight that area so they can see. And yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. Okay, peeps. The spray the area. I'm just showing you what I go on. Only hope the sun. Only hope on the scene. So that orange line you're seeing right there, that's highlighting where I'm putting the stop in. But to be honest with you, after I sprayed the area, I was checking where this farmwork stop for the upstand. So to avoid trying to put things in between here to stop the concrete, I think I will just put the stop in here. Put the stop in here, because it would be more easier for me to notch a piece of ply to close this area so the concrete don't run too much down that side, and put the stop in just in line with this one. So I will keep the spray, but when the carpenter's working on it, I will just tell them to bring it back a little, just to avoid it's too much things to do right here. The space is too tight. So I think here is gonna be easier. I saw that just after I finished spraying. So just I'm gonna see that. And these rebar that I mentioned, I wanted to bend in the slab. It's too short to bend, so I will just cut them. So what I do, I highlight them so they see them also. So these are too short to bend, so I will just cut them because it's projecting too much. It will expose. After I do the concrete, these still will expose, so I need to cut them lower. Right, so that's basically the progress. Let me talk to back. I want to sit back. I want to talk to him or something. After I spray this one, I realized I could have put the stop in here. More easier for you to just notch the plywood in between and go down. If I put it there, it's plenty of work right there. So I think this one more easier for you. Yeah, same as that. Yeah, so what you can do is just use one of these laces as your guide. Yeah, just to get it nice and straight. We'll do the same thing that side. Your vents. Right, we're just gonna fix these props. Turn them in next way for me. I need to pull a line right there. Okay. Don't run here says in a mess. Man, a mess. Watch. Everybody clean the area before we start working, okay? Yeah. I want to put a rail here because this is unsafe, right? So put a rail here first thing. Right. You see this? When they put the block, this is no good. Right, I need it. When you put the block, when you put the concrete, clean the top of the block. This is no good. I don't like that. Right? Okay, peeps, let's make a walk through ya. But this place definitely need some attention regarding housekeeping. Wow.